I'm Susan Christina, and earlier this year I decided it was time for a renovation. Our bathroom was very original and probably one of the ugliest spots in our house, so we really needed a reno. I had gone through a process of reading reviews and meeting with several different vendors. However, Easy Renovation was probably one of the easiest to deal with. They gave me a timeline of 5 to 10 days, I believe, to get it done, and that worked really well into my schedule. Working with Nikita, who is my project manager, was excellent. He's a great guy to work with. He was really helpful. Anything that I had concerns with or questions on, he was very attentive, got back to me, looked at what my concern was and really addressed them. I wasn't looking for anything too out of the extremes. I wanted it very clean, but I did want some additional touches that would make it unique and beautiful, more like a boutique bathroom, boutique hotel bathroom, as opposed to, you know, something standard that you would see every day in a house that was being built, and I think we really achieved that. I would definitely recommend Easy Renovation to any of my friends or family. Like I said, the actual process of getting it completed was so quick. There was no mess, which is a big thing. I know, you know, somebody that works a lot, nobody wants to have to go and clean messes up afterwards. And when it was done, it was like 7 days completed with maybe some small final touches that needed to be done, but fully functional and ready to go. So the timeliness of it really worked into our schedule, and would always recommend working with the Easy Renovation team. Easy Renovation made it easy, and that's all I'm looking for, right? They made it beautiful and they made it easy. Those are the two things I just wanted out of the project. So, you know, can't be more happy with what I got.